thing? Sorry,
Yeah,
can I
yeah.
just cut you off here? Have you also noticed one other thing? तो तुम्हें सिर्फ मैसेजेस नहीं आते, somehow कोई वॉइस मैसेज होता है, उस वॉइस
हाँ,
मैसेज में किसी ना किसी का कजन, फुप्पी, खाला, चाचा, कहीं ना कहीं वुहान के किसी डॉक्टर होता है.
हाँ.
Have you seen that? वुहान
Yeah.
में my खाला's son's daughter, उन्होंने ये कहा, I mean information सही होती है, but I don't know कि वॉइस नोट्स में why everyone has to feel कि कोई फैमिली कनेक्शन होगा तो आप ये बात सीरियसली सुनेंगे, वरना आप इसे सीरियसली सुनेंगे. ये तुम्हारे
ये
खुद मिलते हैं या सिर्फ मुझे मिल रहे हैं?
नहीं नहीं, ये वो वाले मैसेजेस बन गए ना. पहले एक जमाने में मैसेजेस आते थे कि ये वाला मैसेज 20 लोगों को अगर आपने फॉरवर्ड नहीं किया तो ये हो
हम्म.
जाएगा. नाउ नाउ
हम्म.
नाउ दे हैव इवॉल्व्ड इनटू दीज मैसेजेस. So you know
Yes.
it's upsetting. So again, coming back to that, I was reading something really interesting, and that was generally about maintaining good mental health at this time,
Hmm.
which is very important.
So
और
important.
उसमें ये लिखा हुआ था कि आप अपने आप को अपडेट तो करो, but do not keep watching the news constantly, because it's not changing much. Trust me. It's not like any protocols or deals are being signed in Geneva right now at this point. So
No.
you're not missing much. So don't keep updating yourself every 2 minutes. The other thing they spoke about is exercise, and that's something that all of us are doing already, and we can keep coming and talking about this. Another thing they spoke about is getting your brain to read things that excite you, that make you happy. So it's not just about कि आप thriller novel उठा लो, या अभी एक शो निकला हुआ था. Should I name the show? I think everybody's watching it, Money Heist. उसको देख के वैसे
Hmm.
ब्लड प्रेशर हाई हो जाता है. you know so what I'm trying to say is that the idea is, I
Are
mean,
you
if
watching
that's
Money
your
Heist?
I'm not at the moment. I'm trying to watch
I'm
happy
not at the
things.
moment either. Yes, I'm
I'm
also
not.
watching happy things
You
too.
know, So what I'm trying to say is that I read that, and that makes a lot of sense. I think, which is why I'm saying कि इस hysteria को control करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. I understand that there's an uncertainty. Uncertainty is something that really scares all of us. It gets us all wired up. But उस uncertainty को deal करने का ये तरीका नहीं है कि हम हर चीज पे react करना शुरू कर दें, हर message पे react करना शुरू कर दें. So
Hmm.
that's just one thing that I want to do. One thing led to another, to another, to another.
That's one thing that I want to get to.
Yeah. Okay.
One thing.
How
No,
was
it's
it?
good. All your points are valid, yaar. All your points are valid. But iske andar, now you're saying read, you're saying do other things. What are the two things that you're doing which you need to do every day to keep sane and positive? Two things.
Meditating. I'm meditating. Okay, so I understand ये जब भी बंदा कोई बोलता है मेडिटेशन के बारे में, आपके दिमाग में वो ट्री हगर्स आ जाते हैं. आप लगता है
Hmm.
which is bad. Again, meditation teaches you not to judge. But and I'm sorry, I'm sorry, it's my fault. Maybe जब because I've always been a sportsman, I've been an outdoorsy person. I've been मैं cycling करूँगा, मैं पहाड़ चढ़ जाऊँगा, मैं 6,000 और चीजें करूँगा. So
Hmm.
I'm always active, और वो मैं अब नहीं कर पा रहा. So जब मैं वो चीजें करता था तो मैं बड़ा हाई एड्रेनलिन जंकी किस्म का इंसान था. और
Hmm.
उस टाइम पे मैं सोचता था, यार ये मेडिटेशन कैसे करते हैं यार, एक जगह पे बंदा कैसे टिक के बैठेगा, क्या करेगा. So
Hmm.
for a person like me, when I came into this, I used to also judge the word meditation or people who meditate. But when I came into this, the first couple of days for me were very difficult, because
Hmm.
I went through the
Still
entire.
बैठना. Still बैठना
हाँ,
बहुत मुश्किल है.
still बैठना बहुत मुश्किल, especially because Shiru, I know you. I know कि you are always on it, right?
मैं तो
And
अभी भी still नहीं
that's
बैठ सकता. कभी मैं इस तरह हूँ तो कभी मैं इस तरह हूँ तो कभी मैं इस तरह हूँ तो कभी मैं इस तरह. I can never be still. So I have no idea how you do it.
yeah, we'll get you some candy.
I'm
So,
good.
so, anyways, coming back,
Moving
coming back.
swiftly on.
Moving swiftly on. So when the first couple of days when this started, मैंने अपने आप के ऊपर बोलना शुरू किया, यार अच्छा ठीक है, अगर अब मैं ये नहीं कर सक रहा तो अब मैं क्या प्रोडक्टिविटी करूं. स्केड्यूल बनाता हूं मैं. पहले 3-4 दिन मेरा, अच्छा, आई एम अ पर्सन हु वेक्स अप अर्ली, आई ट्राई टू गो टू स्लीप अर्ली, आई हैव अ स्केड्यूल. इवन इफ इट्स नॉट अर्ली गोइंग टू स्लीप, आई वेक अप अर्ली.
अभी भी
अब
स्केड्यूल रख
पहले
रहे हो?
अभी रख रहा हूँ. सो मैं ये बता रहा हूँ कि पहले 3-4 दिन मेरा स्केड्यूल पूरा उल्टा सीधा हो गया, क्योंकि शुरू में तो सबको लगा समर वेकेशन शुरू होगी, है ना। सो वीडियो गेम्स
लॉन्ग
की,
वीकेंड,
फिल्म,
लॉन्ग वीकेंड।
लॉन्ग वीकेंड कर लिया आपने। अच्छा, वो डिनाइल फेज था, एंड दैट डिडंट लास्ट मच ना। वो डिनाइल जब खत्म हुआ तो उसके बाद क्या करे बंदा। तो फिर मैंने कहा अच्छा यार, अब क्या करूं, अब मैं प्रोडक्टिविटी वापस लाता हूं। तो मैंने कहा यार स्केड्यूल बनाता हूं। मैंने स्केड्यूल बनाया, ऐसा स्केड्यूल बनाया अपने लिए मैंने कि 9:35 पे मैं स्किप्स करूंगा, बट ये मेरा HIIT नहीं है, ये जस्ट टू गेट माई हार्ट गोइंग फॉर द डे है। उसके बाद फिर फॉर 10 मिनट्स मैंने खत्म किया। उसके बाद फिर जाके मैं सीधा जो है आई हैव एन एंटायर लीटर ऑफ वाटर, उधर से उसमें विटामिन सी डाल के, वो करने के बाद फिर मैं बैठूंगा अपनी किताब के साथ। आई एम गोना राइट डाउन द थिंग्स टू डू इन द डे। उधर से निकलूंगा, आई एम गोना हैव माय ब्रेकफास्ट। दैट स्केड्यूल read out like hell, you know. मैंने 2 दिन वो किया, and I realized that I was pushing in my bid to be productive. I was
Yeah,
overcompensating for this phase that I was in. और उस
yeah,
overcompensation में I was suffocating
right here.
myself. So I'm guessing you did the same thing, you know.
Yeah, yeah, totally the same thing. Totally. I schedule minute by minute. अब ये करूंगा, इतने पुशअप्स करूंगा, 15 मिनट बाद ये करूंगा, उसके बाद ये फोन कॉल्स करूंगा, उसके बाद सारे स्केचिंग बनाना शुरू कर दूंगा. I had my entire day scheduled for maybe 5-6 days, and I went with it. And then I just couldn't do it
It's
anymore.
tiring. It's tiring. It's you start feeling the pressure after a little while. Okay, I used to have it before, but I've started noticing this now because I've started meditating. So coming back to that story, so a couple of days into it, I spoke to a friend. Actually, I spoke to Mahira. Mahira से मेरी बात हुई, and Mahira
You
recommended
and
this
Myra are
app.
very close.
Yeah, Mahira's a close friend. So I spoke to Mahira, and I was discussing कि Mahira ये कुछ ऐसे बातें हो रही हैं and all of this. She said, listen, why don't you try this app called Calm? I don't know if this is an
I'm doing it
endorsement.
too.
You're
I'm
doing
on
it
it
too?
too, by the way.
Okay.
And this is
Okay,
not
wonderful.
an endorsement, but I cannot sleep without Calm every day.
Yeah, yeah. No, you know what? I can sign off on it now. Because what I did was that initially when I was very skeptical, because I was like, yaar, Mahira ne bola ye karo, so I kind of thought about it. I was like, karu na karu and stuff. And then I was like, acha, theek hai, okay, let me try this. So then I tried it. The first couple of days were tough. And Shiru, what's tough is getting our mind to be in the present. Our mind is so occupied with two kinds of thoughts, one of the past and one in the future. The thoughts of the past depress us, and the thoughts of the future make us anxious. So what
Yeah.
we're doing is we're it's like we're like a
The
pendulum, and
pendulum. Yeah.
we're oscillating between anxiety and
Yeah.
depression. And meditating taught me how to well, I'm still not there. I've started my journey now, but it's taught me how to sort of try to focus on the now, on the beautiful now. And
Yeah.
the now
Living
is
in the
beautiful.
present.
Yeah.